Hello friends, in this session of Math we will see exercise 6.3 solution. Question 1, we have find the slope of tangent to the curve y equals to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x if x equals to 4. And so we know that the slope of any curve at any point is equals to the differentiation of curve with respect to given variable. And so here y equals to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x. So we have the curve y equals to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x. So this curve's equation we take differentiation with respect to x, and dy by dx equals to 4 3 is 12x cube minus 4. Now we want it x equals to 4, so dy by dx it x equals to 4, then x replaced by 4, then 12 into 4 cube minus 4. So 12 into 64 minus 4, so 64 12 we do 640 plus 128 8 6 7 768 minus 4, it will be 764. Second question, we have find the slope of the tangent at the curve y equals to x minus 1 upon x minus 2, where x not equals to 8, x equals to 10. So y equals to x minus 1 upon x minus 2. We differentiate with respect to x, and dy by dx is equals to x minus 2 square, x minus 2 as it is, x minus 1 differentiation 1, minus x minus 1 as it is, x minus 2 differentiation is 1. And so it is x minus 2 minus x minus minus plus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square, so x cancel, and so it is minus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square. So at x equals to 10 we want its square difference slope, then dy by dx at x equals to 10. So x replaced by 10, then minus 1 upon 10 minus 2 square, which is minus 1 upon 8 square, which is minus 1 upon 64. We have question 3, find the slope of the tangent to curve y equals to x cube minus x plus 1 at the point whose x coordinate is 2. So we have curve y equals to x cube minus x plus 1. So its differentiation we take out with respect to x, and dy by dx will be 3x square minus 1. And now x coordinate is given 2, so dy by dx at x equals to 2 will be 3 into 2 square minus 1. So 2 2s are 4, 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 minus 1 is equals to 11. We have question for find the slope of the tangent to the curve y equals to x cube minus 3x plus 2 at the point whose x coordinate is 3. So we are given curve y equals to x cube minus 3x plus 2. So we differentiate with respect to x, and dy by dx is equals to 3x square minus 3. And so slope of curve is dy by dx at given point. So dy by dx at x equals to 3 we want, that is 3 into 3 square minus 3. So 9 3 is 27 minus 3, it is 24. So we have the fifth question, find the slope of the normal to the curve x equals to a cos cube theta, y equals to a sin cube theta, a theta equals to pi by 4. So we know that slope of tangent equals to dy by dx, and slope of normal equals to minus 1 by dy by dx. So we want slope of normal, then we will first bring the slope of tangent and then we will calculate slope of normal. So for that equations are given: x equals to a cos cube theta, y equals to a sin cube theta. So your parametric equations are there, so we differentiate with parameter theta, and dx by d theta equals to 3a cos square theta, and cos square theta differentiation minus sin theta, while y differentiation dy by d theta equals to 3a sin square theta, and sin theta differentiation cos theta. And so dy by dx equals to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. So it is 3a sin square theta cos theta upon minus 3a sin theta cos square theta. So 1 sin theta cancel, 3a cancel, 1 cos theta cancel. So we have minus sin theta upon cos theta, which will give minus tan theta. And so we have dy by dx value minus tan theta. So dy by dx at x in theta equals to pi by 4, it is minus tan pi by 4, which will be minus 1. And so here we submit value, then minus 1 upon minus 1, which is 1. And so slope of normal will be 1. Question 6, we have find the slope of the normal to the curve x equals to 1 minus a sin theta and y equals to b cos square theta at theta equals to pi by 2. So x equals to given 1 minus a sin theta and y equals to b cos square theta. So we take and differentiate with respect to parameter theta, and dx by d theta equals to minus a cos theta, and dy by d theta will be to be cos theta, and cos theta differentiation minus sin theta. So dy by dx we will have minus 2b cos theta sin theta upon minus a cos theta. So cos theta cancel, minus minus cancel. So dy by dx value we have 2b by a sin theta, and so dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 2 we want, then it will be 2b by a sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1, so 1 into 2b by a, it is 2b by a. Now we want the slope of normal, and so slope of normal equals to minus 1 upon dy by dx, and so minus 1 upon 2b by a, and so final answer will be minus a by 2b. Now question 7, we have find the point at which the tangent to the curve y equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x-axis. Now tangent of this curve is parallel to x-axis, means both the lines x-axis and this curve tangent slopes are equal for the parallel lines, and so this curve slope we require, so we differentiate with respect to x. So we are given y equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. We differentiate with respect to x, and dy by dx equals to 3x square minus 6x minus 9. And so 3 we take out common, then it is x square minus 2x minus 1. And x-axis equation we know y equals to 0, So its differentiation with respect to x dy by dx equals to 0. Now tangent is parallel to the x-axis, and so we have the equal slope, and so we can write 3x square minus 6x minus 3 into x square minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Sorry, here 3 will come, and so it is x minus 3 x plus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to 3 or x equals to minus 1. So x equals to 3 we take, then we have y equals to 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 7. So it is 27 minus 27 minus 27 plus 7. So 27 cancel, so minus 20. So 1 point we have 3 minus 20, and x equals to minus 1 we take, then y equals to minus 1 cube 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7. So which will be minus 1 minus 3 plus 9 plus 7. So 9 7 16 minus 4 12, and so we have another point minus 1 12. Eighth question, we have find the point on the curve y equals to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the curve joining the points 2 0 and 4 4. So we are given the curve y equals to x minus 2 whole square, and so we differentiate with respect to x, and dy by dx equals to 2 into x minus 2. Now slope of chord joining 2 0 and 4 4 will be m equals to 4 minus 0 upon 4 minus 2 as per the slope formula. So 4 by 2, which is 2. Now this tangent is parallel to this chord, and so we can write that dy by dx equals to 2, and so 2 into x minus 2 equals to 2. So x minus 2 equals to 1, and so x equals to 3. So x equals to 3, then y equals to 3 minus 2 square. So 1 square, so y equals to 1. And so we have point xy equals to 3, 1. We have the question number 9. Find the point on curve y equals to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y equals to x minus 11. Now this line is tangent, so this line curve tangent, and so slope differentiation of both with respect to x are equal, and so y equals to x cube minus 11x plus 5 are given. So differentiation with respect to x is 3x square minus 11, and here y equals to x minus 11 are given. So its differentiation with respect to x is dy by dx equals to 1. Now as this line is tangent of this both the slopes are equal, and so 3x square minus 11 equals to 1. So 3x square equals to 12. So x square equals to 4. X square equals to 4, and so x is equals to plus or minus 2. So x is equals to 2 we take, then y equals to 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5, and so it is 8 minus 22 plus 5. So 13 minus 22, it is 9, and so we have 1.29 Now x is equals to minus 2 we take, then y equals to minus 2 cube minus 11 into minus 2 plus 5. It is minus 8 plus 22 plus 5. So 27 minus 8, it is the 19. And so another point is minus 219. But minus 219 different is not satisfying equation y equals to x minus 11, and so the point which we satisfies both the equation is xy equals to 2 9, and so required point xy equals to 2 9. Question 10, we have find the equation of all lines having slope minus 1 that are tangent to the curve y equals to 1 upon x minus 1 if x not equals to 1. So we are given y equals to 1 upon x minus 1, and so its differentiation with respect to x will be minus 1 upon x minus 1 square. So now this is a slope of tangent, but it is given already minus 1, and so minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square equals to minus 1. So we will have x minus 1 square equals to 1, which is plus or minus 1 square. So we can take x minus 1 equals to 1 or x minus 1 equals to minus 1. So we have x equals to 2 or x equals to 0. So x equals to 2 we take, and y equals to 1 upon 2 minus 1, which is, and so 1 by 1 it is 1, so we have 0.21, and so tangent equation it 2 1 will be y minus 1 equals to slope minus 1 into x minus 2, so y minus 1 minus x plus 2, and so it is x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Now x equals to 0 we take, then y equals to 1 upon 0 minus 1, which is minus 1, and so 0 minus 1 is point, and so tangent equation is that point y minus 1 into x minus 0, so y plus 1 equals to minus x, and so equation x plus y plus 1 equals to 0.